Hi, I'm Lisa with Mathnasium of Tallahassee, and in this edition of our Number Sense video series, we're going to talk about strategies for learning multiplication facts. So the first question many parents have is, how do I know that my child is ready to learn the multiplication facts? Well, multiplication is repeated addition, and so if your child is fluent in adding and subtracting numbers to 20, and if they're able to skip count by 2s, 5s, and 10s, those are both pretty good indicators that they're ready to learn their multiplication facts. One of the first things that we do is we use number lines to show our facts. So if we were going to do 3 times 4, I would tell a child that that's 3 groups of 4. And so then I would ask them to draw 3 groups of 4 on a number line. And when they draw out their 3 groups of 4, they would, of course, get to the product, which is 12. And they could show me that with their number line and their 3 groups of 4. Using models and pictures helps build an understanding of multiplication for life. And so we're going to start with arrays. When you make arrays, you're making groups of items. And so here we have arrays with manipulatives. Another array that you can do at home, you can use toys and games. So with our checkers, we have 3 groups of 4 checkers, and that's 12 checkers in all. If you have Legos at home, here's another wonderful opportunity. So you can look at the studs in a Lego and ask them, this one here, I have 2 rows of 3, 2 groups of 3, so there's 6 studs in all. And then this one has 2 groups of 6, so there's 12 studs in all. Legos have a wonderful array. I've got a 4 times 4, and I have also a 4 times 6. Now I've got another tool that I like to use when teaching multiplication facts. I always show my arrays and draw pictures first, but then once they get into the meat of multiplication, I love these multiplication triangles. The reason I like these is because they reinforce the factors and the product, and you can use these not just for multiplication, but to also practice division skills as well. And so you can make these at home, and it's just, if I was to do 7 times 8, the product is 56. And so you can cover the product and use them kind of in a flashcard manner with them. What's 7 times 8? And the child will tell you 56. Or you can go the reverse and do some division and say, well, what is 56 divided by 8? And then they would have to tell you that the answer is 7. Thank you for joining us for this edition of our Number Sense video series. Happy multiplying.